Hey guys, it's Kendall back with another video. Okay guys, so we're about to hit 1,000 subscribers. So I'm really excited, you guys. And so as you can tell by the title of the video, today's video is gonna be like an emergency kit for back to school for girls. Could be for guys too, except like all like the menstrual stuff. But like, you know, some guys can have that stuff too. So I'm gonna show y'all what the bag looks like first. So this is what the bag looks like. I got it from Five and Below. And I'll be putting it in this front pocket right here in my bag. I'm probably gonna be like, it's not gonna fit, we gonna make it fit. Okay. So this is what the bag looks like. I got it from Five and Below. And I had it in one of my other hauls. I got this in Miami though, so I don't think it'll probably be at your logo, and if it is, then I don't know. But so it has like a strap, or like you could do like this, or you can do like a crossbody. So it has different options, or you can just do it like as a carry-on type of thing. So this is the outside of the bag. So we're gonna start off with the front pocket. So in the front pocket is some band-aids. Now these are essential because I know a lot of teachers, especially because you're in high school, a lot of them don't have band-aids. Now if it was like younger kids, they would have band-aids, but I just think it's good to at least have some type of band-aid on you or something like that, you know what I mean? Just make sure you have this on you at all times. The last thing that's in the front pocket is these peppermints. Now me, I don't chew gum. It's not because of my braces. I just generally just don't like gum. I don't like the chewiness of it. I don't like the consistency. So I just would prefer peppermints way better than that. So it's really up to you. You can put gum in there if you want to. It really just depends on what you like. Actually, I lied. There's more stuff that's in this pocket. So we got this little fidget toy, and I really only like use this for like anxiety or like if I'm stressed out, because I know me, I'm a very bad test taker, because like I don't know, it's like I could study for the test, but as soon as the test come, like everything just go out the window when the test is like handed out. So I'm not good at test taking. So next what we got in there is some Carmex. And that's like if I want, you know, whatever. And then this is like a roll-on lip gloss. I'll give y'all like a little. So it look like that. I'm gonna put a little more. So yeah, so, and it smells like pineapple. I got this off of AliExpress. I don't know if they still have this, but I'll probably link it if I can. Okay, so this I got from my ex's sister. She sells lip gloss. Yeah, and I had gotten some because I was buying because I was supporting his mom and his sister's business or whatever, because they sell bracelets and stuff, and I guess they gave me that because like I bought a lot of bracelets and stuff. And yeah, and so that's pretty much it. That's all like in the pocket. Y'all probably gonna be like, why do you have all those lip glosses? Some days I don't want no scents. Some days I want Carmex. Some days I just want a neutral scent. So every day I don't want to be smelling like pineapple, if you know what I mean. Now we're moving on into the main part of the book bag. So opening it up, this is what it looks like. And the first thing that I have are 2 masks, 2 extra masks just in case. Just in case, like, you know, if I'm sick or like actually sneeze in it or like just snot gets in it or something like that. I mean, I never had that happen, but, or unless, just for any reason that you need an extra mask, I got another one. And next we got these little wet wipes. I would have had like a small mini thing, but I didn't have one, so I just took some from out the little pouch that they put in, and I put it in the little Ziploc bag so that it would still have its wetness in there. And I tend to carry these like if I have a little spill on me or something and I can't like go to the bathroom, or if I'm on a menstrual, because you know, like when you're on your menstrual, you can't really just use regular toilet paper. Like sometimes you actually need something like wet to like get everything, and sometimes you can't go to the shower when you need to, so I feel like this can really help for that. Next we got some deodorant. I got some deodorant because well, me, I don't get musty throughout the day, but me, you never know, something could happen, push come to shove, you're kind of like a little musty, but you know, it's okay, it's part of life, you know what I mean? You don't need this unless like you have gym or health or something like that. Just anything in fitness and school, you don't really need it unless you have this, have like a sporty type of class, or just a class that you're moving around in a lot. I have this hand sanitizer from Victoria's Secret, and then I got this one from Bath and Body Works. I got two because I wanted two different options. Like I said, I'm like an option type of person. For some days I don't really smell like some scents, so I like to keep it like, you know, neutral, like I said. So next we got this Cocoa Chill. I got this from Pink. And then this, I also got this from Pink too. It's called Sweet Dreams. And both of them, this is like, they're like $5 each. But I know probably like, why are you paying $5 for this little bottle? Y'all know how Pink is. They be trying to scam. But I got this a while ago, I'm not gonna lie. And this is really nice to have when you're like just on the go, you know what I mean? Like some days you can't sit there and bring a full like, because a full perfume bottle is probably like this big, and I know that is not gonna fit in here. And even if it does fit in there, like you still don't have all that space, like no, because you gotta be realistic. Like if I sit there and I want to put my like this bag in my book bag and my lunch bag, like you gotta be realistic. Like if the book bag is gonna get heavy, so you just gotta make sure that you're not putting extra stuff in there that doesn't need to be in there. Okay, so next, hold up, got some headphones. I don't know my other headphones with. Let me just be honest. Hold up. Yeah, hold on. I have headphones. This is Bluetooth. It like goes around you, so like if it falls, like you're good. So some days I want to be like this. Some days I want to be like this. And some days I want to be like this. So it all really just depends like what your preference is, to be honest. Because me, like I said, some days, because I be feeling like sometimes these be louder, I'm not even gonna lie. So it really just depends on how you feel about your headphones. So yeah, it really just depends. So me, like I said, I go for everything. So some days I want to do certain things. So next I have this. This is nail glue. They're not glue ones, but some acrylics do be coming off. Like literally just now, I closed the door and my nail just said, like it came off and it hurt so bad. But I glued it back on and y'all don't notice it though. But I'm kind of mad though, because they're literally acrylic and they literally, like it came off. Like it came off, but it don't look like it came off. So we're just gonna act cute. Okay, so next we have hair accessories. So I have these in my bag. Ooh, I have these in my bag. I have this black one. I know silk ones are probably the best, but I like the knitted ones. I don't know, I just feel like they feel great. And then we just have that one. And yeah, I feel like I just got those because those are like the main ones that I use. I usually use these types of scrunchies or this type of hair tie. So next we have pads. I use both of these. I use these on my heavy days. I use these on my lighter days. So I put them in here, make sure that I am prepared. Because I know sometimes I go to the nurse because sometimes I be forgetting, like I be having my period that day, and sometimes I don't be looking at flow. I'm just gonna be very honest. So yeah, I have this lip oil. It looks like lip gloss, but it's not lip gloss. Just let you guys know. I have it on a lot, so let me just show you guys what it looks like on. And this was what it looks like on. And yeah, but I promise y'all, it's not lip gloss, it's lip oil. But then next we got a tampon. I don't use tampons. For real, I don't use them. But if push come to shove, and this is like my last resort, I'm gonna have to use this. So yeah. And or if a friend that has a pad, like doesn't have what they need and they only use tampons, I got you, babes. I got your back. I got your back, babe. Let me stop playing. So then next, I have this in here. Just to have, you know what I mean? Like I said, for stress, anxiety, you know what I mean? Like, I've been needing stuff to distract myself from reality, so heavy on that. So then next, you have a pair of underwear for your period. Y'all gonna be like, why is it white? Y'all better not come for me in these comments, I promise y'all. So, I just fold my underwear like that, if that's what y'all are wondering. But this is what they look like. They don't have any stains on them. But if y'all put hydrogen peroxide on it, I think y'all should be fine. As far as whatever. But I'm folding my underwear back up. I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like. So yeah. So I think that's it for everything in the bag. Yeah, that's it for everything. Show you guys how I store everything in this 5 and below bag. Okay, but everything that I showed y'all was in here, just in here. I'm not emptying everything out just for y'all to like see that. But hold up, where's the other one? Okay, so this is the pads. They go in here. Then next, I'm gonna take these two because they're like the second biggest in there. Oh, and also don't forget money. I would show y'all my money, but I don't want y'all knowing like what exactly it is because I don't know. I don't be trusting that. Okay, and then next you're gonna get the wipes and we're gonna put them on the side also. Make sure the bag is like deflated a little bit. You know what I mean? It's just not like all out there. And so then next, you're gonna get your deodorant. You're gonna get your tampon. So this is what the bag should look like so far. And then you're gonna get your lip gloss and you're gonna like put it like right here. And then get your money or whatever. Gonna put it right there. And then gonna get your hand sanitizer, put it in there also. This, put it along the top as well. Headphones, put along the top as well. Even the AirPods. We have space, definitely. And then this can go where the other one is. So now it looks like this. And then next you take your mask and then you put it in there. So it's gonna look like this. And then gonna take your little glue. Make sure it's tight because if this spills, like it's over with. And so then next, you got your scrunchies, and your underwear can go at the very, very bottom, like right in there. I tucked it in there, down there. And then your hair ties and stuff can go right along the top. Then you just zip it all up and you're ready to go. It's nothing. Oh, let me see if I dropped anything. No, I didn't. And this is the bag. So I hope you guys like the video. Comment down below what you guys want to see next. I want to take tag off. And I'll see you guys in my next video. I hope you guys found this really helpful. And I will try to link some stuff in the description below. So yeah.